हाय, वेलकम। ये इस घर के मालिक हैं। His name is Malik, by the way. Come on, good boy. Welcome, guys. Come on in. This is my living area. ये मेरा comfort space है। यहाँ पे मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम से मम्मी के साथ होती हूँ, बिकॉज मम्मी को बहुत पसंद है बैठ के कुछ देखते रहना, एंड उन्हीं की वजह से मुझे काफ़ी नए शोज़ के बारे में पता चलता है. शी इंट्रोड्यूसेस मी टू वेब शोज़ लेटली. इमेजिन. This is a very comfortable sofa. I like an L-shaped sofa simply because sometimes you can crash. कुछ देखते देखते आप सो जाइए और just be cozy. So this is that cozy corner. And इस पूरे एरिया में सबसे पहली चीज़ मैंने जो थी वो सोफ़ा लिया था. And I particularly wanted a green color, and how much I fought with my mummy on this. She's like कि मुझे green color का सोफ़ा अपने living room में नहीं चाहिए. And I was like, Mama, I want it because I'm so sick of all the houses lately looking the same. और मेरे पहले के सारे घर बहुत ही whitish, creamish थे. So clearly I could not have had a white wall behind. So added this wallpaper. और थोड़ा wooden touch है पूरे घर में हर जगह. So added this little piece of wood here. I don't know what it is called. I just asked my carpenter, मुझे यहाँ पे wooden stripes चाहिए हैं. And he added it. Speaking about the wooden touch, अब इतने मेरे हिसाब से तो मैं aesthetic ही बना रही थी ना. उसके अंदर I couldn't have had AC in the middle. Hence, I covered it using the rattan and the wooden frame, and that's something I've done everywhere, even in my Malkin hostel, in my another house in Goa. I just cover the ACs. I just can't stand the AC in the middle of a house. It just takes the aesthetics away. And then adding the cane feature to it, and I think I wanted the house to be very modern Indian house. I didn't want to take the Indian element away. और जब भी आप इंडियन हाउसेस सर्च करते हो वाइब एटलीस्ट रेफरेंसेस के लिए, उसमें झूला हमेशा होता है. एंड आई रियली वांटेड दिस झूला हियर, व्हिच इज आई थिंक एवरी गर्ल लाइक्स अ झूला इन देयर हाउस. आई संजना, यू लाइक इट टू, राइट? और ये झूला मुझे कभी खाली नहीं मिलता है. मेरे घर में सारे जो पैकेजेस आते हैं डायरेक्टली वो यहाँ रखे जाते हैं. ऑल थैंक्स टू यू गाइज. मम्माज क्लीन दिस टुडे फॉर मी, सो आई गेट टू सिट ऑन दिस I think after August. So यही होता है. I think after you start working, traveling so much and you have a zillion other things to do, जो आप build करते हो वो enjoy नहीं कर पाते. For example, this dining table. Out of all my houses, this is my first dining table. In previous houses, I didn't have that much space कि उसमें dining table accommodate कर पाऊँ. If you are from Bombay, you would know what I'm saying. और बॉम्बे से बाहर देख रहे हो तो आप रिलेट नहीं कर पाओगे इस चीज़ को. सो फॉरगेट इट. एंड नाउ हैविंग अ डाइनिंग टेबल, I don't remember how many times I've sat here and eaten because it's just me and my mama who live in this house. And I like to add fresh flowers whenever I can. It just reminds me of something starts, and when they are falling also, it's just such a beautiful thought behind it that जो भी शुरू होता है वो ख़त्म हो जाता है. Like these flowers, beautiful little flowers, which also I added for you guys because you guys are coming today. Maybe after this, we will have a meal here. हम सब साथ में बैठ के कुछ खाएंगे. And I particularly wanted a big clock. I mean, it's not very big, but it's big enough that हर कमरे के इस हर corner से you get to see the time. And I try to value time as much as I can because I think that's the most important thing. I always complain I wish I had more hours in a day. This is where I have my kitchen. This is mama's room where we are clearly not allowed. And ये room बहुत important है. मैं आपको दिखा नहीं सकती, सिर्फ आपको समझा सकती हूँ. If you are from Bombay, you will totally get me. So this room I had an extra room. मैंने सोचा था ऐसे मैं अपना activity room बनाऊंगी, thinking room बनाऊंगी, maybe working room, or I would dance here. I'll put a mirror on the wall. Can you imagine? Can you picture it? मेरी मम्मी इसमें कपड़े सुखाती हैं because Bombay में balconies नहीं होती, and that's what my mama uses it for. And I can't argue with my mama. She's like, तुम्हारे पास अपना floor है, मेरे floor पे कुछ नहीं हो सकता. So this is hers mainly. But I'll take you to my floor. Come. So this is my floor. This is my terrace, which we'll explore later. But for now, this is my floor and my living room. This sofa is a little special. I'll tell you how. So I shop a lot from small businesses, and when I moved into this house, I was looking to buy a sofa which was colorful and comfy, and like I prefer a sofa to be a little bigger in length so that like you can like fully get comfortable in that space, like almost the sofa is hugging you. And I shopped this from a small business on Instagram. In my series when I shop for 20s. So I do that every 3 months. I shop from small businesses and promote them on my Instagram, and this is one of them, and they're actually very, very comfy. Rest, this room gets used mainly for chilling when we have a little party. Somebody's chilling outside, some people are chilling inside. They play their music. And mostly my stylists come here and they throw their clothes here और वो मुझसे काम करवाते हैं बस. बाकी का एरिया मैं दिखाती हूँ. Now this floor has 2 rooms. I choose where I sleep depending on. Come with me. If I want to watch a movie, because this is my projector room and AC is not covered here because I could not. So yeah, this is my projector room. I just sleep here. There's nothing interesting. Come, I'll take you to the other room. और ये है मेरा सेकंड बेडरूम. जहाँ पे I don't know, I can't explain in words कि मुझे यहाँ पे रहना क्यों नहीं पसंद है. मुझे लगता है बहुत बड़ा है, मुझे बहुत खाली फील होता है इस कमरे में. So I usually use this room for working because I have like a little working table that side, or getting ready. Like this is my getting ready kind of room. But it just makes you feel really alone. And I have this thing that I've been doing for years now. मुझे उठते ही खुद को मिरर में देखना बहुत पसंद है. अब आप मिरर तो नहीं दिखा पाओगे, बट मुझे मिरर पे अपने गोल्स लिखना पसंद है. तो whenever I wake up, I see myself and I end up reading what is my goal, maybe like my 1 month goal, 1 year goal, or 10 years goal, or it can be what I want in this particular life from me. But yeah, as I said, I still feel sometimes that it's too big for me to fit me in here. और ये मेरे लिए बहुत special है because I made this wall where I wanted it kind of textured but very raw. So it just symbolizes my journey, which is full of ups and downs and still left me a little rough. So when I look at this, it just reminds me of who I am and where I come from. I'll show you this side. Come. And this is my working table where I like decide that I have to work, then I have to sit right here because it's kind of like a part of discipline. I do have my products here, which I try to see it on my mannequins, how it'll look. It's a fun part of the day when I'm here and working. Come, Malik. Come here. And this is my terrace. I'm going to show you my favorite part here for many reasons. Which drink would you like to have? That's my rooftop bar. Whenever I hold a party here, I'm the bartender. Whether you like my drinks or not, I love to make a drink. Would you like to have one? I'm serious. After the take, we will.
watch the full video, click here. पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए यहाँ क्लिक करें।